this. Dude, it's not been recording. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, guys. Dude, guys, we have just emerged from the special event. Oh my goodness. The volcano is literally erupting. Oh my gosh. The volcano's erupting, bro. Oh my goodness. The volcano. Oh my gosh. The volcano in Fortnite is erupting. Oh my gosh. Dude, the volcano's about to get destroyed, I think. I'm going to it. I'm going to it right now. I'm going to it. I'm going. I don't care if I'm in a rainstorm right now. I am going, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so cool. Oh,
but no, we're not gonna make up.
Guys, this is so. You know what? I don't care about the rainstorm now. This is the epic moment of all Fortnite. Cam, you gotta record. Cam, hold it at the screen. Hold it at the screen, Cam. No, Cam, please. This is for our video. Thank you. Oh gosh, thank you. Okay. No, Cam, why aren't you recording the screen?
I am.
All right, thank you. Oh my goodness. See. Okay. Now get off of here. Okay, confirm. Set G. Geez, why am I not? Oh gosh. Cam, don't you? What are you doing? Stop that! Stop it! Oh my goodness, Cam, record! Oh my gosh, guys. This event. Cam, please hold the camera. Okay, guys, I didn't really get to play on close screen and stuff. So that's why I really couldn't do it. Cause I really wasn't focused or anything. But guys, this is so cool. That's why I'm holding my phone right now to record this.
No, we're not looking up.
Cam, just hold it. Just please hold it right there. I need to get it. I need to investigate. Okay. Okay, don't do anything silly.
Okay.
Please don't. Oh my gosh. Guys, here we go. The epic jump of all Fortnite. Wait. Oh gosh. We're sent up a lot higher, I think. Dude, this is amazing. Wait, dude. They're all saying that Tilted Towers is gone. Tilted is gone?
No!
Shush Cam, this is too epic for you to be acting like this. Oh my gosh. They're saying that Tilt is destroyed. Well, guys, we gotta go check this out.
Your name is MC.
Yeah, it's Maze Larry 2008. I'm joining my cousin's clan. He had won 7 times in the cup, so I'm probably gonna be recording another a tournament with my cousin, Josh. He is literally better than FaZe. Now they're in 3rd place. Cam! Stop. You don't want to mess with the animal.
But that's a jobless.
Cam, calm down. I gotta go investigate this. Oh.
Wait, everyone look up.
Oh no. It is destroyed. It's only destroyed a little though.
Cam!
Hold it and watch.
I can't.
Are you in the event?
Yes.
Cam, just wait. You're not even. Look, I'll tell you when you're in the event, okay, Cam? Cam, I'll tell you when you're in the event. Cam, stop! Stop! Just record for now, okay? Look at this. Oh my, stop! Oh my god! Really? These people always gotta bother someone. Gosh.
Dang, they'll get started.
I'm trying to see Tilted Towers. Oh my goodness. Tilted is just Cam. Stop focusing on your iPad.
I
Oh my goodness, guys. Look at Tilted. How is this building still standing?
Oh.
Cam, Kim, you don't stop. Look, give me this phone. You don't even know how to record. Gosh. Okay, guys, I'm currently on PC right now. But guys, this event is so cool. We had a ton of stops. Cam, can I use the back of your iPad?
No.
Cam, come on, I need it for this video.
No.
I'm taking you out of our YouTube channel. You need to stay on our YouTube channel. You don't even help with it. Now you doing that? Yeah, I just recorded you with your hand in your butt. Get out! Get out of the stinking thing. Guys, this is just amazing. Cam, get your little butt out of here. Guys, look at this. It's so stinking cool. Hold on, guys. Wait, it's not gonna be recording for a little. I just need to get something. Are you sure I can record? What? No. Get back on Fortnite. Okay, that was way too close. Way too close, guys. Oh my goodness. Cam, it might be opening soon. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay.
Everyone look up! Well, everyone look back because I'm about to slap them in the face.
They don't have to look up anymore, Cam. I think the special event already happened.
Everyone, take it down. No, I'm in the middle.
For real,
I'm in the middle.
This building looks like it's in good shape. How?
I'm in the middle. I just told you I'm in the middle.
I'm pretty sure the volcano just destroyed everything.
I was in the middle first, so let me get in the middle.
Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, I'm going to need a shadow bomb to see all this cool stuff. Let's go. What? It didn't even work.
I found this little ball.
No. What? No. What the heck? Game's lagging. The game is lagging. The game is currently lagging. Guys, I don't think I'm recording this well. Because I don't really do videos like this. Guys, but Tilted is just destroyed. Tilted is destroyed. Tilted, everyone's going to miss you. Everyone. I'm telling you, everyone's going to miss you. My sister's really tearing up right now. Cam, you miss Tilted, don't you? You love Tilted. Cam, you love landing at Tilted?
No.
Oh wow, you don't even care about Tilted.
I like Luke Lake.
Well, that's just for the thing, but I cannot believe it had to go out like this. Dang it.
Guys, look up!
I need to get a lot better on PC. But guys, oh my goodness.
You don't want to.
No, Cam, you're messing up the moment.
No.
Get out the video now.
You don't want that. That's what
Okay, I'm gonna get you back after this video. Guys, this just looks so cool. I mean, well, not cool, but the volcano erupting? That's the cool part. I cannot believe it. I thought the volcano was supposed to erupt during season 9. I mean, like during the trailer or something. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe it. Tilted Towers is actually destroyed. Oh my gosh. What? I can't believe it. The place that I probably has first gone to ever since is gone. Okay. Oh gosh, my fingers are in the way. Oh gosh, I need to record it like this. Let me just zoom it out a little. Okay, guys, I need to get a good view at Tilted. A really good view at Tilted. Okay, let's fix the camera up. Okay.
I'm gonna miss it. Please. Oh, my turn.
Cam, you're messing up the video. I'm sorry, Cam, but jeez, you won't stop trying to mess up everything.
Okay, you want me to get off
special event?
I took a bust your head out.
Alright then, wait until after this video. Watch it. Gosh. That's really knock her out. Ken, you're aggravating sometimes. And at this moment, you're very aggravating. I wonder how much damage this lava will do. Or if it still does 1 damage, but since it erupted, like, kill me instantly. Oh, well, it still does 1 damage, but... Guys! Can I ever get a good view for the video, man? Okay, it's respawning. But guys, this is the end of our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Well, not really, because we didn't really get to start off with the event. But still, I hope you guys enjoyed. Except for my sister, who was being very aggravating during the event. And Tilted Towers. But when you guys do this event and you see more destroyed stuff, probably just come and tell me what happened, or no, just tell me what got destroyed. That's all. That's all I'm just gonna say. But guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification buttons, and we will see you guys in the next one. And goodbye.